Good morning. We had to stop off in Ohio today, and this is not, you see right in the center of that little dot, that is the sun, but this is not fog. This is smoke from all the fires, I guess from Canada, and there's some local fires, I guess in Kentucky somewhere. You can see the smoke out here, baby? Yeah, right there, that's the sun. Here.
I see the sun right there.
Yeah, Marie, look. Look how smoky it is.
I see the sun.
I just woke up.
Is the sun right there?
Yep, that's the sun.
Mommy's right there.
Then Mommy going bye-bye. She gotta go into that meeting, and then me and you gotta go do some other stuff. Look at that.
Mommy's way back there.
Yep, the sun's trying to come up. Look at it. A hard time getting through all that. Crazy. Can't believe how. And yeah, it does smell like, for lack of a better word, it does smell like smoke outside, and it is a little thick, hard to breathe, honestly.
Yeah, because it got rid of them.